Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Mercedes-Benz. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 78,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include chrome package, appearance package, automatic climate control, CD changer, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.